How to recover a Yahoo account without a phone number. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover a Yahoo account without a phone number. The best way to start your Yahoo Mail recovery process is by using your desktop computer. First, go to the Yahoo login page and sign in using the same credentials you've used in the past. After that, select a method of identity verification. You may get a verification code to your phone or click Try another way to sign in. Now, enter the verification code that you received and create a new password. In the next step, click Continue again. You will now be prompted to confirm your account recovery settings. Check these over or click Remind Me later. Now, your mailbox is reactivated. If you don't have an alternative recovery email or a phone number you can use to receive a verification code to access your mailbox, you will need to contact a Yahoo specialist. To do this, go to the Yahoo login page and click the Forgotten Password option. Then click I Need More options and tap Visit our help site. Next, create a request by choosing the topic, password, and sign in, then Unable to change my password, and email a Yahoo specialist, completing the form and creating an inquiry. Then, you'll just need to wait for Yahoo's response. You can try to recover your Yahoo account by contacting a Yahoo specialist in the Help Center. You will need to follow the instructions provided and confirm that you are not trying to hack this mailbox. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.